Namaste, friends, and welcome to yet another episode of the Spiritual Talks on the Pep Talk with me, Sudeep Nag. Friends, I would like to start this episode with a story. A man finds a little fish, and the fish speaks to the man, and it says that, please save me. Don't send me to the sea. It's huge and there are big fishes there and they will eat me. Save me. So the man decides to help the fish. Being kind, he brings it to his house and keeps it in a glass bowl until after a few months it grows in size, and then he brings another glass bowl a little bigger and makes space for the fish, and this way the fish grows and he brings another bowl which is bigger and so on. After a few years, he couldn't find any glass bowl that would fit the fish. So now he had no choice to take the fish and let it be in the sea. And the fish grows to a huge size, and one day it starts eating other fishes. And the man, he gets to know about this. And then he feels a little bad. So friends, the first story, can you tell me whether the man was good or bad? Did the man do something good, or did he do something which was actually not good or bad? Because being kind, he wanted to help the fish. But when it did, the fish ultimately grew into a monster and had to be left at sea. And it was feeding on other fishes. So there is a thin line between good and bad, and very tough to define something as absolute good or absolute bad, isn't it? Let me know your views. Story number 2 that I would like to share with you today is of this demon, of this very, very cruel demon who would harm human beings and eat people like anything. And this demon couldn't be killed by a human or by an animal. He couldn't be killed inside the house or outside the house. And he couldn't even be killed at night or at the daytime. It was pretty tricky until a great warrior comes. And this particular warrior, he is half man and half lion, and drags this demon onto the threshold of the house, neither outside or inside, and not at night or day, in twilight, kills the demon. Until many years later, this particular warrior finds out that this demon was cursed by gods by mistake and was sent to earth, and he was waiting for his release and get back to heaven in his original form. So, although he felt bad by killing the demon, later when he heard that he has helped this particular demon to go back to its original form by killing it, he actually probably did the right thing. So again, when you do something bad, whether it is bad, helps to do something good, and sometimes good does something bad, like the previous story. So we very much, confused about actually what we are doing is good or bad, and whether to define absolute good or bad. So I would suggest that we sit down and we think about these things, our actions, whether we can only define it as good or bad, or ourselves as each one thinks himself or herself as a hero, and what he or she does is right, and the other side or no one else is wrong and right. And this kind of things, confusions does not help either in our world. And finally, I would like to end this particular video by wishing all of you a great day, and keep watching the Pep Talk. Thank you.